So this is just really a quick thing. As you guys can see, the tarp is off the car, and we're gonna be cracking at this thing little by little, and we're just gonna get this thing done because I definitely need my car back. So yeah, it's looking pretty fucking rough right now, but you know how that goes. There's a lot to be done, but it's sure slowly but surely will be. So yeah. Um, for those who are new to the channel, the e36 is getting built for boost. Our issue was the timing chain guides broke, so we had to get the front cover off, but the front cover could not come off, and it kind of broke, so we have to take the front cover off. That's like down there, where you can see the light pointing, and then put the new stuff in, the new gaskets and all that. So basically, it's going to be a newly refreshed engine. S52 cams. Yeah. So basically, the works. ARP headset, everything for boost. So it's going to be built for boost. And then I'm going to put a supercharger on it, and it's going to be from a GT500. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty sick car. So yeah, I'm glad the car is getting worked on, and I'm glad we're going to be getting the ball on the road. Sheesh. So yeah, you guys just have to stay tuned. It's going to take a little while, but you know, that's just how things go. And then over there's a 7 Series. This light's wonderful, by the way. Most likely, at this point, I'm really annoyed. I don't know if I want to keep it anymore, so what I'm probably going to do is just fix it, sell it, and most likely either do a Civic build or Cafe Racer, or it may be both. But my priority right now is the e36 because, as I said in the EP3 video, after driving a fast car, you just, yeah, it's just, you have to experience it to know. But boost is life, so that's just what we have to do. Have to boost this and get the ball on the road. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was just like a quick overview of the e36. And actually, right before I go, again, let me just do like a quick recap and the plans and what you guys can expect. So, engine's going to be built for boost. S52 cams, and this is a M50 B28 because this is a 328 IS. ARP head studs, 0.140 head gasket, big bore throttle body. It's going to have a custom intake manifold, but right now it has an M50 intake manifold because it has the bigger runners. Gonna do exhaust. As you guys can see in the car, there's some Kron's Bosreyes 10.5 front, 11.5 rear, stock body, just pulled fenders. Going to widen them, run the 11.5s in the front, and then do the 10.5s in a 13.5 most likely for a Pandem kit. And the interior, I have a half cage. I'm going to get seats from 6-Speed. I have a Mishimoto radiator. I already have a OMP steering wheel in there. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming. I have a Airlift 3P kit in storage. So yeah, this is going to be a very, very in-depth and pretty sick build. It's going to be very unique. This kit has not really been done besides by the guy who made it, and I'm pretty sure there may be like 1 or 2 other people, like people who drift and stuff like that, but I haven't seen much about it besides from the guy who made the kit. So yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing a lot of content from this and a little from the 7 Series while it gets fixed, and then whatever comes of it, because I love the car, but it's really annoying. And I really did everything that you could possibly think of, like maintenance wise, and there's still a leak. So once that leak is fixed, it's most likely going to go bye-bye for something pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I know you guys have really been waiting for E36 content, and life happens, but the wait is definitely worth it.